In this video, we'll be making some jewelry. Hey, and welcome to yet another video. Today we'll be making some jewelry and we'll be using some clay beads to make this jewelry. The clay beads, I got them from AliExpress. I can't really remember the price, but they were not very costly. And we'll be using this elastic band to join our beads and to form our jewelry. And we'll also need some tweezers to cut some ends to make our jewelry look neat. And I'll also be using some beads from the last project to make the jewelry. So today we'll be making three bracelets, one necklace, and one anklet. So I'll put some description in the video to show what I'm making in every step, and I'll see you at the end when we will review all the jewelry set and how it looks. Until then, enjoy. And here we have the final product, the necklace, the anklet, and the 3 bracelets. I'm really impressed with how they have turned out. And this is how the necklace looks on me. I really like it. I think it's really beautiful, and the color coordination is just superb. And the bracelets really fit well. I love all of them. They are giving kind of an earth girl vibe, and I'm here for it. I am really impressed with the jewelry. If you would like to make yours, or you need any clarifications on where I got the materials, you can just let me know, hit me up. You know, we don't get keep on this side. So I really enjoyed the activity, and I loved how the final products turned out. I'll definitely be wearing them. And thank you so much for tuning in until the end of the video. I really appreciate you taking your time to watch and interact with this video. And until the next video, peace and love. And remember, true happiness is when you are your biggest fan.